Your iPhone might be tracking you and listening more than you realize. In today's video, I'll show you what to turn off on your iPhone to improve your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now, tap Tracking. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. This prevents apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. Next, go back and tap Location Services. Scroll through the list of apps and change location access to while using the app or never, especially for apps that don't actually need your location. Now scroll all the way down, tap System Services, and turn off options like Significant Locations, iPhone Analytics, and Location. After that, go back to Privacy and Security, scroll down, and tap Microphone. From here, turn off microphone access for apps you don't trust or don't use. Next, go back, scroll down, and tap Apple Advertising, then turn off personalized ads. And that's it. These settings help reduce how much your iPhone tracks you and uses your data. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.